how to fix a broken chain. As you can see here, broken chain, gold. Okay, what's this? Okay, cool. I found this on my girlfriend's box that she uses to do her other things, and I just decided to come up with a idea. So with this little thing here, just to make sure that you choose the right color, just like the actual chain, same color. Open it, untwist it to open, so slightly open. Yep, it's open. Slide it in onto one. Come on, phone focus. Slide it in onto one. That's perfect. Wait, I'm coming. I will give you some chips after. Then get the second, the other half that is. Slide it in as well, of course. Okay, this one's harder to go in. Okay, 1 second. If it's not going in, you can always take the one that you're struggling to slot it in and get a new one. Okay, is officially in, both of them. Okay, where's the tool? Everyone has these tools, this little tool at home. So all that you need to do is slot it in. 1 second, I'll get some chips after. Squeeze them together. Squeeze them hard. Perfect. If they meet sideways, the better. So as you can see, there's no way that this broken chain will come out from that little slot. I hope not, that is. Squeeze a little bit more. Trying to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, it's officially smaller. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect. So as you can see there, it looks like part of the chain. Literally part of the chain. So there it is. The broken chain is fixed. Perfect.